So YouTube, interesting fact. Do you know how to make a hole in these? I just tried and I succeeded. So a fast way to make a hole in these. Put them in a microwave. So I press that button, I guess. And let's see if we can make a hole in this one too. Interesting. So, what do you say, YouTube? A hole in these. You see, I also like microwaves. That's quite interesting. And it's in HD, recorded from the iPhone 4. We got lots of crap. What more can I microwave? That motherboard, I don't know. It will smell. Those cathodes are a little long. Those lights are boring, and that is quite boring too. Well, yeah. I'll see if this is still warm. It was quite warm, so well, yeah, I fail. Anyways, please subscribe to my videos, YouTube, and take care, y'all.